to try that. Alex!
With more imagination, we bring our dreams to life together.
Wow. That's a nice motto.
That's great. I did that many years ago.
And why you stopped?
I ask myself the same question. I really don't know.
You should do it again, man. Good luck!
With more inspiration, we reignite the fire inside. What drives GWM? The power of possibilities, the passion for innovation,
Where do we go next year?
the pursuit of perfection, empowering you to go further. GWM, go with more.
GWM, go with more.
Good afternoon, everyone in the live stream. Welcome to the GWM Global Official Live. I'm your host today, Alex, and I'm also a passionate car enthusiast. I'm really excited to be here with all of you today. In this live stream, we are introducing a true travel companion for modern families, the luxury MPV GWM WEY G9. This vehicle is designed to meet the needs of large families while also being suitable for business use, whether it's daily commuting, business travel, or long-distance family trips. The WEY G9 is built to handle it all. As we know, many families in Southeast Asia live in multi-generational households with several children, and traveling together often comes with many challenges. During holidays, when families travel back to their hometowns, there are gifts for the elders, toys for the kids, and plenty of luggage. Even when the truck is packed full, it still doesn't feel like enough space. On weekends, when the whole family heads to the park or the beach, the kids and grandparents are often so cramped up in the back that they cannot stretch their legs. And of course, family safety is always the #1 priority every parent's minds. For professionals who are balancing family life and career, the needs can be even more complicated. You need something precious enough to pick up clients, yet comfortable enough to serve as a mobile office, where you can handle work on the go. You need a car that works for a business meeting on a Friday and a family getaway on a Saturday. So the question is, how can one vehicle provide both family comfort and business class presence at the same time? Today, we are going to explore these everyday travel challenges together and step into the WEY G9 to see how it addresses them through its space, comfort, and safety features, creating a whole new way for families to travel in comfort. Right now, feel free to leave a comment in the chat and tell us, what are your biggest needs when it comes to family travel by car? Let us know. All right. First of all, thank everyone for the enthusiastic interaction. I'm seeing so many great comments rolling in. It's clear that many of you are looking for an MPV that can meet both family travel needs and business requirements at the same time. In the next part of our live stream, we'll be sharing plenty of useful insights and practical information, giving you a real and professional look at the WEY G9. Today's live stream will be divided into two main parts. In the first part, I'll start by addressing those common family travel pain points. I'm going to demonstrate the WEY G9's incredible space and premium comfort features to show how exactly this car was designed to solve your daily travel struggles. I'll be highlighting several hidden gem details that makes a world of difference. Once you see them, you'll understand why the WEY G9 is exceeding expectations for MPV owners worldwide, especially for our families right here in Southeast Asia. The second part, which I believe many of you are most excited about, is our real owner sharing session. We invited a WEY G9 owner from Thailand to join us. She's the manager of a small company and also a mother. She'll be sharing her personal story and experience with the WEY G9. In addition, we also interviewed two WEY G9 owners from Malaysia, whose daily driving scenarios are just like many of yours. We'll hear how they feel after driving the WEY G9 and see how the vehicle performs in real-life situations, such as picking up children from school, traveling back to their hometowns during holidays, and family outings. Now, before we continue, I want to make a quick clarification. The model we are showing in today's live stream is the China-spec left-hand drive version of the WEY G9. The versions sold in Thailand and Malaysia will be right-hand drive models, fully adapted to local driving habits. The control layout and driving visibility are optimized for local road conditions, making the driving experience more natural and comfortable. In addition, the versions for the Southeast Asian market will feature a split-screen display design that better matches local usage habits. This provides clearer operation logic and makes daily use more convenient. At the rear of the vehicle, the Southeast Asian versions will also feature the GWM brand logo, which is more familiar and recognizable in local markets. Of course, there may be some minor differences between markets, so for the most accurate details, we recommend consulting your local dealer. But don't worry, no matter the market, the core strength of the WEY G9 remains exactly the same. Luxury dimensions, space, comfortable and exclusive cockpit, full dimensional security guard. Our goal today is simple: to help everyone clearly and fully understand every advantage of the WEY G9, so that every family can find the perfect vehicle for their own travel needs. Now, let's take a closer look at each design highlight of the WEY G9. What a beautiful car. I hope it also arrives in the European market soon. I really would like to drive it as well. A big welcome to everyone just joining our GWM Global Official live stream. Today we are bringing our GWM luxury MPV, the WEY G9. Think of it as a mobile living room for the whole family. When everyone gets the best seat inside this vehicle, every journey is filled with laughter, joy and family warmth, turning every trip into a precious moment of togetherness. First, let's take a look at the car behind me. The WEY G9. In China, this model is also known as the WEY Gaoshan. Essentially, the WEY G9 is the overseas version of the WEY Gaoshan. They are the same vehicle with the same luxury MPV DNA, but with certain adjustments made it to be more suitable for different market needs. So some of the features you see today may be slightly different from the versions available in your local market. However, the core strengths of the WEY G9 remain the same, they're consistent with the GWM's long-standing standards and commitments. Luxury dimension space, comfortable and exclusive cockpit, and full dimensional security guard. Now, before we explore the vehicle in detail, let's watch a short video together. This video will show you the designer's original developed vehicle to meet the needs of both family travel and business use.
Oriental design relating to the design of this vehicle?
Well, in Western meaning, grandeur is magnificent, while in Eastern, It's more about tranquility and harmony. What can you tell us about Goshan design?
Well, you know, we were really inspired by the name, which is about high mountain. So we wanted to make the front end of the vehicle really impressive, really tall. And you can see we also were inspired from the waterfall, which you find in the mountains, the way the water flows down. And it's emphasized by these vertical bars. You see how they're wide at the top and slim at the bottom? So exactly showing the movement of water, dachi feeling. From the vertical element, we also run into the horizontal headlamps. Look to the front end, really wide and impressive. A very luxurious vehicle. We also have these beautiful integrated aerodynamic devices in the side, highlighted with this chrome element. Let's take a look at the side of the vehicle. So, really impressive, showing the size of the vehicle. Also, beautiful details like this line that runs from the front all the way to the rear, emphasizing the luxury aspect of Gaoshan. Now, at the rear, underlined by these beautiful taillights, you see how they run all the way across there with the LED technology. But as designers, we were also inspired by the Chinese bamboo, the way it grows in a vertical way and its parallel nature. So you can see here on the design of the taillight, we also introduced this aspect of the 3 bamboo taillights. So overall, a beautiful rear end. Now, let's take a look at the interior. And here is my friend and colleague, Chris.
Hi Dyson, finally it's my chance. My name is Chris, I'm head of interior for WEY brand. And our interior philosophy was to create a very comfortable space for the family and a dynamic space so that they can enjoy themselves and relax. Here we have the integrated cinema screen in the roof, so you can relax on the zero gravity seat, which I can show you now, just with one press of a button here. And then when I'm back here, I can watch the cinema screen, so I can watch with my family or my children and really fully enjoy the relaxing experience inside. So I think that's one of the main things we wanted to do, was create a great experience for the family use and for the customer to enjoy with their family. And all the space inside is really great and really helps the comfortable feeling, and that was our main focus for interior design. So we want to combine comfort and technology feeling, and also with a spacious and modern aesthetic. And I think that's what we achieved with the interior of all-new Gaoshan. All-new Gaoshan provides the best experience for those in the front, middle and rear of the vehicle. The all-new Gaoshan is more than just a means of transportation. It's an extension of people's lives and emotions.
The perfect combination of art and functionality.
Especially on our all-new Goshan.
Zuanqing Gaoshan Dachi.
GWM, go with more.
After watching the video, are you curious to see even more? Next, I'll take you inside the vehicle and walk you through its design details up close, so we can break down what makes the WEY G9 truly special. Ever since we started the stream, the questions we've seen most in the comments is about space, and I completely understand why. Many families in Southeast Asia have 3 to 4 children plus elderly family members, so a household of 6 to 7 people traveling all together is very common. And the biggest challenge? Not having enough space. The good news: the WEY G9 solves all these space concerns perfectly. This is exactly the core design focus, created extremely flexible space for families with multiple children. As a large, high-end MPV, the WEY G9 takes the concept of space magic to the next level. Every inch of its interior is thoughtfully designed to meet the real needs of family travel. It truly is the ideal helper for families on the move. Next, I'm going to walk you through the WEY G9 space design in detail and demonstrate its features live on the vehicle so you can see everything clearly and intuitively. So first of all, from the comments, the 2 things everyone asks about are Space and ease of entry, that's completely understandable. Because as you know, every travel family has the elderly and the children. Getting in and out is very difficult, so we designed a very easy and comfortable exit and entry. Take a look at the WEY G9's inside. So we can start by unlocking the door with the one-stop sliding door. It opens very easily. So first the sliding door has a very wide opening. Second, the second row doorway is about 791 millimeters wide and 1,350 millimeters high. So elderly and children can easily get in and out of the car. Even for someone as tall as me, I'm over 1,90 m, it's easy to get in and out of the car through this very high altitude. Combined with a two-stage handrail, and the handrail gives the senior stable support when bending and stepping in, while children can hold onto it themselves to get in safely. Parents no longer need to carry them all the time, saving a lot of energy. There's also the one-touch open and close function, which I already demonstrated here. This is a true hands-free helper for parents. When you're carrying a baby, milk, toys, shopping bags, your hands are full and you can't push the door manually with just one button. The sliding door opens with just one click automatically. And after getting in, press another button and the door closes by itself. This is a thoughtful design to protect the safety of elderly and children, which is a basic requirement for family vehicles. The sliding door design alone shows how considerate the car is. Now, let's move on to the storage space, which is another major concern. During holidays or weekend trips, families carry lots of luggage, gifts, toys, strollers. Can the WEY trunk handle it all? Are the second and third rear seats flexible enough to adapt to different scenarios? Let's show you live with facts. The WEY G9 has 3,085 mm wheelbase and a 7-seat layout with a maximum cabin length of 2,867 mm. The core of the WEY G9's space magic is the coordinated second and third row seats. It's designed supporting multiple seating and storage combinations to fit all family travel scenarios. The seat rail length is 1,845 mm, allowing stepless adjustment between the passenger cabin and the cargo area, accommodating many passengers with lots of luggage, many passengers with little luggage, or few passengers with a lot of luggage, providing maximum spatial flexibility. Now, let's move to the trunk and I'll show you how the folding seats work. So the trunk opens automatically with one click, the same one-touch dynamic as the sliding door in the front. Now I'm going to demonstrate you how to adjust the seats. It's very easy, just two things. You can adjust it easily and it gives a lot of space. We've prepared some luggage cases here, so you can put two big luggage cases inside easily and still have space in the front to sit down. As you can see, when I fold the seats, it immediately creates a huge cargo flat space. Combined with the second accordion style trunk, the opening is wide, the depth is substantial. And the cargo capacity ranges from 233 liters up to 1,725 liters. Even with all 7 seats occupied, you can still fit in 7 big luggages, 7 big suitcases. Families no longer need to worry what to bring and what to leave behind. They can come with everything they want. And even you can travel with your pets because the butterfly style seats allow pets to safely ride in the passenger area. This ensures a harmonious journey for both people and pets, making the trip even more enjoyable. On long trips, if the kids get sleepy, we can slide the door. I need to open the door first for you to demonstrate it. We can slide the second row seats forward and fold the third row seats halfway, instantly creating a spacious rest area for children. Lay a small mat and kids can lie down and sleep comfortably. So parents no longer have to hold them for hours. Long distance travel becomes much easier and more relaxing. Take a closer look at the camera. The flat space created by folding the third row is incredibly wide, with plenty of room for camping gear, tents, or even a scooter. In comparison, ordinary MPVs have a narrow second to third row spacing, and even when the seats are folded, the space feels cramped. Children can only curl up uncomfortably. In short, the WEY G9 offers space magic. Store luggage where needed or transform it into a resting area for kids. All with ease. We've designed over 39 different storage spots throughout the entire vehicle, from the cup holders at the center console bins, in the front of the seat back, tray tables here, just like an airplane, and pockets everywhere. Everything has its own place. Cups, snacks, toys, storybooks, bottles. No more clutter, keeping the cabin tidy and parents stress-free. The space experience is truly impressive, isn't it? Now, let's move on to something that's a real must comfort feature. As you all know, in Southeast Asia, temperatures can easily be above 30 degrees throughout the whole year. When the whole family is traveling together, especially during traffic jams or long distance trips, having a car that stays cool is very important, and comfortable becomes extremely important. That's exactly why the WEY G9 has been carefully optimized in this area. When developing the comfort features for the WEY G9, our team conducted a full year of localization research across Southeast Asia to truly understand what families here need most. So, first let's talk about the seats, which are the most direct part of the riding experience. In the WEY G9, both the first and second rows are upholstered with premium Napa leather. What you can see here. It's very smooth, even to touch it. I love the feeling. I could sleep here right away. This material has a very delicate and soft touch, and it's also highly breathable, so the heat and the sweating cannot stand, which is easy, and it's very important in hot climates. Most importantly, both the driver and the front passenger seats support seat memory and the seat ventilation in itself. It's easy to switch on. You can just switch it on here on the console, and you have a seat ventilation if you stand in a traffic jam, etc. Very comfortable. The driver's seat also supports an 8-way power adjustment. The front passenger seat supports 6-way power adjustment. So it's just like staying at a 5-star hotel, but it's a car you can even drive around with. It also features a 10-point massage function. It's probably the most comfortable car I've ever sit in. I especially want to highlight the seat ventilation function. In 35 degrees weather, once you turn on the seat ventilation, both the driver in the front row and also the elderly people in second row, they feel refreshed and no worries. Even during long journeys of 2-3 hours, you won't feel anything. You won't feel uncomfortable. The elderly and kids can sit comfortably, and parents can travel with no worries in mind. So now, let's get back into the second row, and I will show you another very nice feature, which is the low zero-gravity aviation-style seats of the WEY G9. This seat features one-touch zero-gravitation mode and reset mode, and it comes standard with 10-point massage standard as well, such as in the front row, and the ventilation functions also, such as in the front row. It's not only good for elderly or children, it's also good for businessmen. Like if you pick up your business partner from the airport, and then they had a very long flight and they need to relax on the way to the hotel, just sitting down here and relaxing, very comfortable. Okay, as you can see, the seat support and wrapping are excellent. It's also made of premium Napa leather, just as the front seat. So the moment you sit down, your whole body naturally relaxes. I also noticed that the armrests are designed to be extra wide. The inner armrest is 85 millimeters wide and the outer armrest is 91 millimeters wide. All the adjustments are controlled through physical buttons, which are here, which makes operation simple, intuitive, and easy to use, even without looking. Another highlight is the zero gravity mode. with just one button. The seat automatically adjusts to an ergonomically optimized position that distributes the body pressure evenly. I could just really fall asleep here. The heartrest also features side wings, which helps keep your head stable when reclining and reduce neck strain. This design effectively relieves fatigue in the lower back and legs during long journeys, helping passengers relax and even fall asleep more easily. Elderly family members can sit comfortably for long periods without feeling tired. That's also one of the key reasons why many families choose the WEY G9. It truly delivers a first-class comfort experience for every passenger. The third row seats are also very spacious. The seat cushion's length reaches 512 millimeters, and with over 1.2 meters of sofa-like seating width, it provides excellent support for an adult's legs. So there are no uncomfortable seating options in the WEY G9. The headroom is also generous. It's around 870 millimeters, which means an adult even in my height of 1.90 m can easily sit here, easily and comfortably sit in the third row as well, without feeling cramped. Both legroom and headroom offer plenty of space to move. Whether it's elderly family members or children, 3 passengers can sit in the third row comfortably without feeling crowded. We are officially saying goodbye to the tiny stools found in the back of traditional MPVs. This is what we call equal comfort for every seat. Comfortable seating and ventilation keep the whole family cool and refreshed, while a quiet cabin and entertainment features make long journeys far more enjoyable. When the cabin is quiet and entertaining, the whole family can stay in a great mood throughout the trip. So let's get back into the front seat. But actually, I really love the second seat. I wish someone would pick me up in that car from the airport. Now back in the front seat. Our goal is not only to make sure everyone sits comfortably, but also to ensure that every passenger feels happy and secure during the journey. That's why we put a lot of thought into the entertainment features of the WEY G9. The cabin quietness is also very important. So first, let's talk about the cabin quietness, which is the foundation of a comfortable ride. Once the doors are closed, the vehicle effectively isolates outside noise, including traffic sounds, motorcycle noise, and roadside disturbances. Children can sleep peacefully in the car, and family members can talk to each other without raising their voices. Even on long journeys, this quiet environment helps everyone to stay relaxed and comfortable. Next is the entertainment system. The WEY G9 is equipped with 21 premium speakers, the Love sound system that delivers outstanding sound quality. Whether you're listening to music, playing audiobooks, or watching movies, it creates a truly immersive experience. Even during traffic jams, the whole family can enjoy music or cartoons together, making the time pass more easily and pleasantly. There are also 2 especially practical features. The first of all, I will show you from the second row. It's easier because it's a very, very big fridge. The first of all is the large capacity refrigerator. So let me show you. It has 2.5 liter capacity and a temperature range from 0 degrees to 50 degrees. It also offers 3 temperature control models. Refrigeration mode, it's from 0 to 15 degrees. Heating mode is 35 to 50 degrees. Fresh keeping mode is around 10 degrees. It's around 10 degrees. These modes allow you to store more medicine, cosmetics, or anything else. So it's not only for drinks. The upper one, you can put around 6 bottles of soda water, and the lower one, you can put up to 12 bottles of soda water. Whatever you want. So it's it's super comfortable. And if you want to heat up your baby's milk or anything else, you can just put it in as well. So, and another very good feature of this is, even if you don't drive, the refrigerator still is active until the battery lasts. So you can put your water, everything inside, and you can even just refrigerate it without even driving the car. If you want, which is also very essential in Southeast Asia, you can also place ice cream or yogurt or any other milk products inside the refrigerator. So if it's very hot outside and the kids want some ice cream, you should put it here up front, and then the kids can enjoy their ice cream while driving. Especially important in the Southeast Asian climate. The refrigerator also features dual opening access to the front armrest box and the rear drawer style design, making it easier for passengers to reach. Let me show you the front opener of the refrigerator. So this is how you open the refrigerator in the front. You can put out, I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's a 2-compartment refrigerator. This one and the lower one. So it's like this. Not only the driver, but also the people in the back seat can access the refrigerator easily. The second feature is the 11 charging ports distributed equally through the whole car. Some of the charging spots are here. You can see it here. This is 2, but they are equally separated through the whole car. So everyone, the grandparents' phone, the kids' tablets, the learning devices, etc., they can all always be equally charged wherever you're seated in the car. So you don't need to worry about the battery running low on any trip. You can always recharge, which makes long distance journeys more enjoyable. In addition, the WEY G9 is equipped with a cockpit. I will show you up front. It's the cockpit fresh air system. The plasma air purifier reduces dust, bacteria, or PM 2.5. It's very good because sometimes, as you know, it can be very dusty. The road is very dusty. There's a lot of sand, etc. So with this quality air purifying system, you won't have to worry about the climate inside the car. It's very healthy for kids, very healthy for the elderly, and it's also healthy for the parents. Everyone will feel comfortable. And it can switch between internal circulation and external circulation. So it also features a CN95 air filter, which I already told you, which can effectively filter PM 2.5 particles, droplets, bacteria, etc., etc. With filtration rate of around 95%. So the air inside the vehicle will always be cleaner than the air outside. So concluded, the WEY G9 provides a very clean and safe and healthy cockpit in the front and also for the back. The environment for all passengers is very healthy. So finally, let's talk about the intelligent driver assistant features, which are a great driving helper for users. These features can effectively reduce driving fatigue and make family trips safer and more reassuring. The WEY G9 is equipped with 12 ultrasonic radars, 2mm wave radars, and 6 cameras. The vehicle enables Level 2 intelligent driver assistance. It features over 20 intelligent assistant functions, including AEB, ACC, ICA, providing comprehensive protection for family safety. All safety features are standard and cannot be opted out. It makes it very, very safe for all your family, so you don't have to worry at all. I mean, you still need a driver, but it's very safe to drive. The forward collision warning and ultimate emergency braking system can monitor the road ahead in real time. Once a potential danger is detected, the system will immediately alert the driver, and if necessary, it can automatically apply the brakes to help prevent real-end collisions. There's also an integrated parking assistance system, which makes parking much easier. Even drivers who are just starting to drive and they're not very confident in their parking skills, they can still handle it with ease. So parking is no longer something to worry about. All of these functions provide comprehensive assistance while driving, allowing parents to focus more on road effectively, reduce driving fatigue, and ensure a safe journey for the whole family. Well, I really love that car. It's not only comfortable, it's also safe, so I would just like to drive away with it after the live stream, to be very honest, if I had the chance. One-touch system to close the door again. So, when the whole family is traveling together with the elderly family members and children on board, safety is always the #1 priority. And I think every parent can relate to that. So there's absolutely no room for compromises. As a family-oriented MPV, the WEY G9 it takes the safety as their #1 priority. We also can call it the safety fortress for the whole family, with every aspect designed all around protection. We call it a safety fortress for the whole family, but a fortress can just be a marketing term. What exactly is that supports and protects this family? Right now, we are going to peel back the exterior and show the hardcore truth underneath.
到一个全球最安全的 MPV。
不同的颜色代表什么呀？
比如说这个颜色就是代表铝的防撞梁和吸能盒，而且它是宽体设计，比普通的这个吸能盒要宽1倍。
哦。
比如说红色的这个是类似于我们叫超高强钢，核潜艇级别它运用的这个钢材。
哦，看紫色的这个数量很多啊。
对，紫色的数量很多，还有这个蓝色的都是高强度钢。大概我们整车的话，高强钢的应用的比例在81%多。 在 MPV 级别里边都属于顶尖的这种水平了。在这个 A 柱里边有一个管，是我们从 A 柱那个红色的那个端头一直延伸到这个位置的，我们叫热气站型加强管，它能够以很好的这种强度来抵御这个撞击，
可以说12吨不变形。
那这个黄色的这个管子是所有的车都有吗？这个？
现在行业里边用这个管的是非常少的，我们高3是第一个用的，用它的话是。 为了跟加强板更好的匹配，然后刚才就像魏总讲的，我们既要保证我们的安全，还要尽可能的让这个车的重量更轻。
实际上，这个 MPV 啊，在这个汽车里边，这个安全设计是最具有挑战性，因为它前面这个车头啊，它特别短，它吸能的空间就小。哦，所以说呢，这个更要使用更多的技术。 更多的设计技巧，使用更多的新材料，不断的做这个仿真，不断的这个推翻优化，既要保证车身轻，又要保证安全。
但安全又是最难感受到的。哎，您不让我们打开这个车身，您不跟我们讲，我完全不知道。就是它安全到底在哪儿？
你要是把安全做好，你必须做好心理准备，它不会当下会给你带来这个明显的价值。 但是从长远而言，它是必须要做好的一件事。
GWM, go with more.
Now, let's take a closer look at the raw safety data that makes the WEY G9 so resilient. First, let's talk about the vehicle body structure, which forms the foundation of safety. The WEY G9 features a high-strain cage body structure, with high-strain steel accounting for at least 83.01% of the body. In key structural areas, it uses 2000 MPa ultra-high-strain hot-formed steel, which can effectively withstand strong impacts. This is one of the core advantages of our global P81 platform, the world's first dedicated high new energy MPV platform. In addition, the third row seatbacks are reinforced with a 0.6 mm tubular frame full metal back panel, providing stronger support and improved collision. The collision protection for passengers, a 1500 MPa hot gas formed tube runs through the entire complex structure of the A pillar, improving both frontal and side impact safety while still maintaining good driver visibility. the roof structure can withstand up to 12 tons of pressure, which means that even in the event of a rollover, the passenger cabin remains well protected. The body structure forms the safety foundation, but features like airbags, seat belts provide direct protection for passengers during a collision. We know that elderly passengers and children in the rear seats are often the most vulnerable family members, so the WEY G9 is designed with comprehensive airbag protection throughout the entire cabin. The vehicle is equipped with multiple airbags, including dual front airbags and front side airbags, as well as a 6-second pressure retaining side curtain airbag, which is especially important. This curtain airbag has a volume of over 110 liters and a total length of 3,107 millimeters. In the event of a collision, it deploys instantly and maintains pressure for 6 seconds, fully covering both the front and the rear head areas, providing complete protection for driver, elderly passengers, and most importantly, children all alike. The vehicle is also equipped with dual pre-tensioning load-limiting seat belts for all seats. In a collision, the seat belts tighten instantly to secure the passengers firmly in their seats, preventing them from being thrown forward by inertia. At the same time, the system can adjust the force applied by the seat belt based on the impact intensity, reducing the risk of secondary injuries caused by excessive belt force. To address concerns about secondary collisions, the WEY G9 also includes a secondary collision mitigation system. After the first collision occurs, the system can automatically apply the brakes to prevent the vehicle from moving any further. Like this, any other potentially causing a second impact, further reducing injury risks and protecting everyone in the vehicle. As you can see, this car is extremely safe. Of course, all these features are impressive, but nothing compares to seeing how it performs in real crash tests. We often say, safety is the greatest luxury. So, can the WEY G9 truly withstand most rigorous challenges? Up next, let's watch an intense video, real crash test footage of the WEY G9, to see how it genuinely protects every member of the family.
汽车是一个马拉松，做安全是最枯燥的。
车辆速踩车载高速摄像准备完毕，
台车准备完毕，
灯光摄像准备完毕，
开始测试。
长春汽车紧急救援专提醒现场有没有人员受伤？需不需要帮您呼叫救护车？
车辆安全可以进入。
撞得真够狠的。
你可以看一下，整个是在下部发生了变形，然后上部保持了一个很完整，里边的生存空间不会被就是强烈的给侵入，
用户不会去拆解这个车。实际上在车里边都有加强梁，这个有那个侧部。这个加强的，也有这个就是纵向加强的。
这时候司机最重要了，看看他的安全。
对，我们的车门也是能够顺利打开的。
哦，这个能开车门太重要了。碰撞完的那一刻，必须最快的速度打开车门，它才有这种求生，
对，碰撞方便救援。
它一旦碰撞，这个车现在的功能就有自动拨打电话， 就报警，
对，
自动的这个把这个高压断电。
现在这个车的话，高速碰撞的话，这个100多毫秒就要把它断掉，
然后开启这个双闪，就是它已经是一个很特殊的这个状态下了。
您可以看到我们的这个2排这个位置，我们都有因为在这个人的头部都会涂上油彩，看这个气帘到底对它进行保护了没保护。我们这个气帘啊，是现在的这个市场上这个目前前后也是最大的、
最长、
侧气囊也都点爆了。
这个是不是就能证明我们的这个气囊的设计是能够保护到它的头部最容易被碰撞的位置？
对，最容易碰撞的位置，这是一方面。另外，我们这个车2排和3排设置的是长滑轨，就是它可以前后调整。
这3排成员同权保护。这个气帘这里边它要保压6秒。比方说我第一次啪撞了你一下，
第一次
保护了，这假如说第2次又有一个车碰撞，或者是
发生翻滚，
这个很容易。
对，
发生翻滚的时候，它基本上吧，6秒，
基本上也就结
束了。
对，
现在宝宝应该是在里面最安全的，这2个宝宝都没有太大的伤害。
GWM, go with more.
Welcome back, everyone. So what you just saw now demonstrates the WEY G9's solid strength in body structure and passive safety. But as a luxury MPV, safety is more than just one aspect. Next, let's talk about the battery safety, which is a key advantage of this new energy luxury MPV. The battery pack of the WEY G9 has undergone 89 rigorous safety tests, including high temperature testing, collision testing, compression testing, fire testing, and water immersion testing. Even in the high temperatures common in Southeast Asia, the battery pack can maintain a stable and safe operation condition. In addition, the battery pack is equipped with an intelligent temperature control system. This control system can monitor and regulate battery temperature in real time, ensuring both battery safety and long-term durability. Many people also worry that buying a car is easy, but maintaining it can be difficult. Some customers are concerned about the after-sales service and maintenance for the WEY G9. Let me clarify this for everyone. GWM has already established a comprehensive official after-sales service network in Thailand and Malaysia, covering major cities and key regions. Spare parts are well stocked, so routine maintenance and repair components can be supplied quickly without long waiting times. In addition, we have professional after-sales service teams. All technicians receive official professional training, ensuring efficient and high-quality service. Combined with comprehensive official warranty policies, owners can enjoy peace of mind throughout their entire ownership experience. Now let me answer a question that just appeared in the comment section. Some viewers are wondering, since the WEY G9 is such a large MPV, will it feel difficult for women to drive? Actually, there's no need to worry at all. This was an important consideration when we designed the WEY G9, to make sure that even a large MPV can still feel easy and flexible to drive. Whether you are male or female, it's designed to be smooth and easy to handle for everyone. Whether you're driving in heavy traffic in cities like Bangkok or Kuala Lumpur, or traveling on smaller rural roads, the WEY G9 maintains a stable and agile driving experience. Even for female drivers, it feels light, comfortable, and easy to control. I'd also like to emphasize that the WEY G9 is built on the P81 dedicated high-end new energy MPV platform and is equipped with the high-4 plug-in hybrid powertrain system. This system delivers smooth yet powerful performance without the gear shift jolts typical of traditional fuel vehicles. Acceleration is smooth and responsive whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on highways. In addition, the WEY G9 features an all-aluminium suspension system, a rare 5-link independent suspension, and an electric power steering system. The all-aluminium suspension helps reduce vehicle weight and improve handling. The rare 5-link suspension keeps the vehicle stable when cornering or driving on uneven roads, minimizing body roll. Meanwhile, the electric power steering system adjusts steering weight according to vehicle speed. At low speeds, the steering wheels feel light and easy to control, making parking, U-turns and narrow rural roads much easier to navigate. Even for female drivers, the vehicle never feels heavy. At higher speeds, the steering becomes firmer, improving stability and giving the driver greater confidence and safety. All right, I believe everyone now has a comprehensive understanding of the WEY G9's features. Next, we move to the real owner sharing segment. We've invited a genuine WEY G9 owner from Thailand to share their daily experiences and let us see how the G9 performs in real family travel scenarios. Now, let's connect with our first owner from Thailand. Sawadee ka! Please say hello to everyone. And tell us, what made you choose the WEY G9?
Everyone, my name is Tina. I have a small company in Thailand. I need a car for two things: pick up a client and also taking my family on weekend trips. I also often have a long drive between Bangkok and Chiang Mai. I finally choose WEY G9 because it can balance both business and family needs perfectly. Some cars in the same class are more business focused, but it's harder seats and space not very friendly for kids. However, others are more family focused, but they don't look more very formal enough when receiving client. But the WEY G9 has a premium interior and a smart space layout, good for business use and also very practical for family. The price is also affordable than other traditional business MPV. Whether I'm picking up client or going out with family, it fits very well.
Everyone is also concerned about the practicality of the core configuration. Do you think there are any aspects of the WEY G9's configuration that you find more practical?
The sound system in the WEY G9 is better than the other cars. When I play live music on the car during business meeting, my client often say that it feels premium. There is also a small table and charging port in the rear seat, which is my kid can do homework and watch their iPad easily. In some cars, in the same cars, the table is small and not very useful. But the table in the WEY G9 is large enough and the angle can be adjusted. These details are really practical. It keeps a good balance between business style and family comfort.
You often drive the long distance between Chiang Mai and Bangkok. Driving for a long time can easily cause fatigue. Do you think this car helps relieve your driving fatigue?
This car really solved my needs of long distance driving. Every time I drive long distance, I turn on the adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist in the WEY G9, and it really saved a lot of effort. Once I drove to Bangkok to pick up a client, and the trip took almost like 4 hours. If I drove my own car, I would arrive with a sore back, the tired eyes, and completely drained because I had to stay focused all the time. But with the WEY G9, when I turn on the intelligent driving assist, the car can follow the vehicle in front of and stay in the center of the lane. I don't need to keep pressing the accelerator or hold the steering wheel tightly. I just need to watch the road. With these features, long drives are much easier and safer. Whether for business or family trips, I don't worry about long distance journey anymore.
As a car owner who uses the vehicle for both business and family purposes, do you think the price of the WEY G9 has an advantage in the Thai market?
I also look at the other cars in the same class, but only the WEY G9 provide both the premium feeling for business and also the practical features for family use. For example, intelligent driving assistance system, full comfort features, and large space. These key needs are all covered by the WEY G9, and the price is more competitive compared with other cars with the similar features. For anyone who needs a car for both business and family, the WEY G9 means you don't have to choose between looking good and being practical. The balance between price and features is very good, and the after-sale support is also reassuring. Overall, I really recommend to everyone.
Thank you so much for your honest sharing. Your perspective on using the WEY G9 for both business and family purposes provides valuable insights for many of our viewers. We really appreciate you taking the time to share. Next, let's turn our attention to the Malaysian market. The WEY G9, built on the world's first dedicated high-end new energy MPV platform, is a luxury MPV designed for both family and business use. It is currently the first Chinese high-end new energy MPV assembled locally in Malaysia. With the official launch of the WEY G9, GWM's brand positioning of all scenarios, all powertrains, all users is further strengthened in Malaysia, offering a full product lineup covering pure electric, fuel, and hybrid powertrains, as well as sedans, SUVs, and MPVs. GWM Malaysia is committed to providing a more comprehensive product range and premium service to meet Malaysian consumers' expectations for high-end experience, safety, and smart technology, creating a new valuable choice for luxury travel. Recently, many Malaysian users have been picking up their cars from dealerships, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Now, let's take a look at the real experiences of the two Malaysian WEY G9 owners. Their usage scenarios and feedback will surely provide useful references for many prospective buyers. First, let me introduce the first Malaysian owner. Mr. Khairul, an experienced family user, did extensive comparisons before decisively choosing the WEY G9. He kindly shares with us his car buying journey and real-world driving experience. Let's watch the video together.
Oh, actually, with G9 during the test drive, I think the responsive is very good because the engine is coupled with the hybrid system, so it is very responsive. You press, can go, no problem. This car, actually, there's two main features. The first one is the 50-meter reverse. That one is very helpful for me because I live in village, small village. Sometimes you need to reverse when you face to face with other car. Second one is the third row. The third row is very spacious, besar lah. So I think that one is one of the criteria for me to select G9. First, the price. If we compare the luxury MPV, other brands is maybe the same price is we can only get Recon, only Recon, but this one is new. The second one is the features, technology. I'm looking for the hybrid features for MPV, so this is the one that I choose for me. Yes, actually it's a very big impression for me and big impact for me because when I come, he directly tegur saya, and then how he very polite with me and how he service me, he keep following up with me. Everything is tip top until I can get the car. Until now, no problem. Okay, why I choose the GWM Kluang is because first one is very near to my house. For sure, this one, GWM Kluang, we have 3S, right? Service, sale, and also spare part. So this is a one-stop center for me and easy for me to just send my car. I can get my car, and all the spare parts is near to me. So very convenient. For sure, I will recommend GWM Kluang. The service, the people, or the place itself is very good, and for sure I will recommend for the people. Thank you so much.
A big thank you to Mr. Khairul for his honest sharing. Next, let me introduce the second Malaysian owner, who has a very, very special identity. He is a Dato. In his daily life, Dato needs a vehicle that can serve both family and business purposes, with high expectations for quality and practicality. The WEY G9 perfectly meets his multiple needs. Let's watch the video to hear his sharing.
OK, G9 对我个人而言啊，它是属于城市中的一个很灵活的一辆车，很灵活，然后也很稳，但是又灵活，但是又大量，所以很吻合现代社会的潮流，也很吻合现在家庭的用车。这个是多用途轿车，是非常适合于现代的社会所用的车。G9 这辆车呢，它也要感恩之前发明这个 MPV 的人。它是从一个延伸 MPV 的车辆，而延伸到今天进化的 MPV。我个人而言呢，它是每一样东西都非常的先进，它跟以前的当然是有很大的分别。从我在20年前就开始用 MPV， 这一辆是第7辆 MPV 我用，那么在马来西亚跟泰国、印尼 MPV 非常盛行，包括香港，它是属于保姆车，也属于家庭的一个多用途轿车，所以在进化，刚才我说的进化，从我第1辆 MPV 到现在，你问我是否它是有什么特别呢？它有几个地方让我最欣赏的。第一，它的价钱的确的是非常的亲民的价钱。那么第二呢， PHEV 啊，你没有多选择。PHEV， 然后它最主要它纯电，它可以走170，也是所有 PHEV 里面它最高。换一句话说，如果在城市在走，我通常在 KL 比较多，吉隆坡。如果说在城市每一天在用啊，几乎我们打的燃油啊，会放到 expiry date 掉，因为你每天你可以充电回来，你不用到这个汽油，也是环保意识也非常高。这非常吻合现代的一个社会，跟现代的温室效应、海平面上升，这个是一个解决问题的一个轿车的方案，啊，非常好。G9 推出的时候，它是很震撼的一个隆重推出。在中国，现在的科技，我时常上 YouTube， 我一看它一直 pop up 出来，这辆车长城到底是什么车？然后我去研究，它 MPV 是受瞩目的，因为 MPV 我在用着的，我用了第6辆 MPV， 买这辆是第7辆。在这个过程里面呢，我去观察所有的 MPV， 然后在中国为什么一下子爆上来这么快，那么畅销？然后它是中国叫高37、高38，还有高39。那我一直的去研究到这辆车还没有来到的时候，我也来找 Jack Green 找这里的这个推销员，我就有问他们几时这辆车会 launch， 刚好说可以下订单，我就第一个去下订单了，因为我对这辆车非常熟悉，我在 YouTube 里面看了整半年，它的推销、它的使用方式，所以非常熟悉。很期待他来的时候，我就拿第1辆。谈到驾驶，我没有驾，因为我早就下订单，我就买了。车一到我就拿车了，我是第1辆。我是没有，我相信现在的媒体透明度也非常高，在数据方面已经呈现出我要的东西，所以他来的时候，我是以欢喜心来接待。我根本没有试过这辆车，我第1辆车我怎么去试？我都还没有机会试到，我就买下来了。关于到服务员的态度，当然 Jack Green 的态度很好，他一直从车还没有装配好，到几时会到，到的时候还拍半夜把车运来的时候还拍那个录影给我，包括我所问的东西，他都会一一的去帮我找答案，未必说所有的他都懂，但是他都会解决我们的顾客的一个需求，非常好。我已经推荐给好多人了，不是有的不方便在吉兰出的，在麻坡我也有推荐，吉隆坡我也有推荐，我的股东人有好几个已经在用着了。
Thank you to Dato for his recognition. As an experienced user balancing family life and social business commitments, his feedback is especially valuable. Affordable pricing while ensuring premium quality and full features. The WEY G9 is very reasonably priced, offering exceptional value, flexible powertrain. It meets daily commuting needs efficiently while addressing long-distance travel concerns. Perfectly suited to Malaysian driving conditions. Advanced technology features, from intelligent driving assistance to in-car comfort technologies, every detail delivers a high-quality user experience. Recommendations to others, Dato clearly stated he would recommend the WEY G9 to his friends, while in the highest endorsement of its quality and practicality. The feedback, both from Malaysian owners covering daily commuting to family trips, fully validates the WEY G9's comprehensive capabilities. High value for money, reliable safety, easy and flexible handling, hybrid and fuel versatility, and advanced technology. These core strengths perfectly match the needs of Malaysian families, whether for everyday family use or business social occasions. The WEY G9 is more than capable. Let's get back to the WEY G9 and enjoy it a bit more. I think the finishing itself the light, everything just perfectly matches a very high valuable car. What do you think as a business owner? Would you want to have the WEY G9 to pick up your clients or your customers from the airport? Me, if I was any customer, I would definitely like to be picked up in the WEY G9. All these functions, like I demonstrated before, to open and close the door so easily. The Nappa leather seats with air ventilation, like in the hot climates of Southeast Asia, and all these gears to put food, luggage, etc. just makes the WEY G9 the perfect travel companion for families and for business owners. So I would like to order the WEY G9 just right now, if I could. Wouldn't you? You can comment below if you also would like to order it right away. I would definitely. Time flies when you're having fun. So we are now approaching the end of our live stream. Today, through professional explanations and real owner experiences, we've taken a deep look into the luxury MPV, the WEY G9. Let's quickly review the key highlights of today's session, so everyone can clearly remember the advantages of the WEY G9. First of all, the space magic. With the second and third rows of common rail design and flexible foldable seats, the cabin can hold the whole family's luggage or transform into a children's rest area, maybe even a children's playground as big as it is. This large sliding doors, kick sensors, tailgate and multiple storage compartments throughout the vehicle perfectly solve the common pain points of multi-child families. No more not enough seats, not enough storage. Whether it's holiday trips, home or family outings, the WEY G9 handles it all effortlessly. Second, comfort technology. The full Nappa leather seats we just saw right now again are fully ventilated, perfectly suited for the hot Southeast Asian climate, keeping everyone cool. The second row gravity seat provides ultimate comfort without feeling cramped. The built-in refrigerator and the 21-speaker premier audio system makes every trip enjoyable. 11 charging ports meet the power needs of the entire family. Third, and I personally think most important, is the family safety. Over 83.01% high-strength steel body with 2000 MPa ultra-high-strength steel for robust protection, full range airbags and secondary collision mitigation keep everyone safe. The battery undergoes 18 rigorous safety tests to ensure stability. Intelligent driving assistance reduces fatigue and enhances confidence in complex road conditions. Now, I believe everyone has gained a comprehensive understanding of the WEY G9. This is a luxurious MPV that understands space, comfort, and safety. Owning a WEY G9 unlocks a whole new level of comfortable family travel. Additionally, the WEY G9 is officially launched in Malaysia, and you can now experience this family-focused luxury MPV up close, discovering a new way to travel with ease and comfort. Be sure to follow GWM Malaysia on Facebook and YouTube to place your order or get the latest updates instantly. For all our friends and viewers in Thailand, the WEY G9 is gradually being delivered, and we'll be sharing more exciting delivery content soon. With thoughtful designs for multi-child families and climate-adapted comfort features, remember to follow GWM Thailand on Facebook and YouTube to order immediately and stay up to date with all the first-hand news. Finally, and most importantly, a big thank you to our 3 owners for the wonderful sharing. And to all of you, all of our viewers watching and supporting us, the WEY G9 with space magic, comfort technology and family safety protects every family journey. We hope every family can enjoy relaxed, comfortable and safe travel. That concludes today's live broadcast. We wish all of you a happy journey, a happy life. Thank you for watching. Good afternoon, everyone.
What drives us? Curiosity to explore, passion to discover, thirst for adventure, energizing us to go further. With more courage, we scale new heights within ourselves.
我的项链不见了。
儿子，快帮姐姐回忆一下，她有没有带？
姐姐她肯定带了，不然我怎么会捡到嘞？
这臭小子！
With more spirits, we deepen our ties through the moments we share.
Looking after a horse means understanding it, not taming it. It's all on you now.
Thanks, Dad.
Take care of the farm!
Enjoy your retirement, Dad!
With more possibilities, we draw strength from the past, inspiring the journey of tomorrow.
Eric! Time to go! I'm in the car. Speed up!
Come on, Mom, why are you doing it to me?
With more love, we nurture those we hold dear, setting them free.
Okay, so you like this place? We're gonna come here most of them, right? So, what are you gonna do after that?
Let's make some snowmen.
Oh, really? You can try that.
Alex.
With more imagination, we bring our dreams to life together.
Wow. That's a nice motto. That's great. I did that many years ago.
And why you stopped?
I ask myself the same question. I really don't know.
You should do it again, man.
Good luck!
With more inspiration, we reignite the fire inside. What drives GWM? The power of possibilities, the passion for innovation,
Where do we go next year?
the pursuit of perfection, empowering you to go further. GWM, go with more.
GWM, go with more.
What drives us? Curiosity to explore, passion to discover, thirst for adventure, energizing us to go further.